This 2015 Keystone Avalanche 380FL is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Egg Harbor City, New Jersey, 08215 and is offered for sale by White Horse RV Center. This used Keystone is 39 feet 7 inches in length and features 6 slideouts, sleeps 6, LP detector, water heater, skylight, spare tire kit, CO detector, stovetop burner, microwave, oven, refrigerator, smoke detector, and 66 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features couples coach, front entertainment, front living area, kitchen island, mid-kitchen, rear bedroom. The unloaded weight of this 2015 Keystone Avalanche 380FL is 12,810 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by White Horse RV Center, visit RVUSA.com.